My name is Dr. Christopher Johnson. I'm the principal at RioTECH, and we're engaging students to empower change, and we are preparing them in the fields of automotive, computer information systems, digital media, plumbing, HVAC, carpentry, electrical, and welding. The country as a whole is focusing on career technical education and the trades to get students interested in these trades again.
My name is Lorelai. I'm going to RioTECH, and I'm going to be a welder. And it's something that sets pretty much the whole world up. You got buildings, you have cars, you have all these things that need welding and construction. That's gonna provide me skills for the rest of my life. And it's just a world of opportunity.
Lorelai has never been the traditional learner and has struggled sometimes in school. So to have an opportunity to help her be in a different environment and have some more hands-on learning and have something that will progress her in life and towards her goals.
Honestly, I really just wasn't interested in college. I didn't think I was gonna be in college. I always knew I was gonna do something around the trades or with animals. I never even thought about college. And when I found about this, I was like, oh my God, this is my chance. This was meant to come to me, and I really want to do this.
I would say 80% of the students in high school do not attend a four-year university. So our school is for that 80+% of students. These are C&M dual credit classes in the trades. And so I tell students, you are a half-time high school student and a half-time college student. RioTECH is just a high school that focuses on trades, where career technical education has been around for the last 30 years in Rio Rancho public schools, where we are focusing on careers and sprinkling in high school classes. We're 70,000 square feet, 5 state-of-the-art labs for the trades, and then 2 state-of-the-art labs for our technology with digital media and our computer information systems.
Hello, my name is Jackson Dennison. I'm a senior here at RioTECH High School. Because I can see what I'm doing and feel it and actually feel like I'm making a difference.
My wife and I, we really struggled a lot with him as far as sitting down and just focusing on reading a book. But if you gave him something to build or something to work on and a little bit of reading, man, he worked wonders. And his brain has always been about taking something apart, putting it together, building something, and to see his brain really get to come to fruition with an opportunity like this is cool.
RioTECH is a blessing to me because it really has changed my mindset on school. I didn't have the best grades, and now it's helped me out with my grades. My grades are higher, and Dr. J has also helped me out because he's like, if you want to pursue this, then you got to get your grades up.
We focus on several things. We want them to be successful in high school, so they have to graduate. 2, they have to finish their C&M certification. 3, we want them to get industry recognized certifications. If it's ASE for auto or AWS, the welding for welding, or if they're doing technology or digital media, find those industry recognized certifications, which we pay for, and then we find a mentor in that field to help guide them to those career fields.
My name is Andrew Thompson. I'm a junior in RioTECH, and I am studying in digital media. I'd like to get my bachelor's degree, and then I want to finish out my digital media degree to kind of help me out with more job opportunities in the future. And then I would like to study abroad for culinary arts. I guess since I was a kid, I've always liked cooking. I guess it's always been a part of who I am. It helps me de-stress, and it lets me be creative whenever I want. I like animation, and I also like to draw sometimes. So I feel like that's a natural progression. I also like how this teacher teaches us very well in terms of connecting with us. So because of what I'm choosing as my degree right now, I will leave with an associate's degree, which will help me in college because it'll let me graduate much sooner. And I really hope that in the future it'll have more students here, especially for the other trades that are here, like welding, automotive, digital media, and CIS.
So it's important for New Mexico to keep our students here and have partnerships with those industries here. We're preparing them to stay here, make money, which will help them. So these jobs or these skills trades that we're practicing here, they are high need, high pay. And so a student coming out of our program could easily make $50,000 to $60,000 starting before they hit that journeyman license in 5 years.
My name is Trinity and I'm in carpentry at RioTECH. I wanted to do HVAC originally, but then I got carpentry instead, but I didn't mind that since I was used to doing hands-on things. So we have a ranch in Arizona and my mom teaches me a lot of stuff over there, like using power tools, like being able to like ranch, how to take care of the sheep, doing shearing, so there's a lot of hands-on stuff there. And I think I can really apply that here. I chose carpentry because it was like a really fun path for me to be like get like a better idea and like skills with like hands-on like residential carpentry. So I understand like construction and like also like cement work. When I graduate, I'll be joining the Army National Guard or either that or the Air Force, since they do have opportunities in carpentry. I know there's like a lot of AI stuff and with like computers advancing, but trades are always needed regardless, because I don't think AI could ever replace like human efforts.
RioTECH is opportunity. It's a career path, it's a success path. RioTECH is so much that I can't put into words.
I just think that the sky's the limit. This school is going to provide so many opportunities for so many kids.
The future for us is bright. We are going to be a flagship institution for career and technical education, for skills trades here. We want to empower them to change, whether it's a female in welding or a female in automotive, to engaging their future, whatever that means. Maybe they want to continue on to college. Maybe they want to get a career, or maybe they want to go to the military. Whatever that is, we're going to figure it out and we're going to get them there.